Today I'm replacing the screen on this Apple Watch SE. First, I power off the screen, remove the bands. Now I'll use this heat gun to soften the adhesive that's holding down the screen. Once it's nice and hot, I can use this tool to pry out the screen. Once I have it open, I need to remove these 3 flex cables from the screen. Look how thin the screens are in these Apple Watches. And this is what the new screen looks like. Now on the Apple Watch, I'll apply this glue all around the edges. Next, I'll connect these 3 flex cables onto the screen. The flex cables will slide in. Now I can close them. And finally, I can set the screen down. Alright, now let's see if it works. And there it is! Back to new again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.